Welcome to Schüco. In this tutorial, we will explain how to use our planning data in ArchiCAD. We will show you where to find the Schüco data, how you can save and open files in ArchiCAD, and how to adapt objects to meet your needs. Then we'll look at the detail level in sections and views, as well as the presentation of units used in component lists. We will start by navigating to the website schco.com/architects and continue to the magazine category. From here we can access the Schco catalog or enter schco.com/BIM. Schco offers an extensive range of BIM objects which can be used from the design through to works planning. Schco offers doors, facades, sliding systems, sun shading and windows. The filter function makes it easier to search for the product you want. You can filter by design and technical properties, for example, to get a tailored selection. The CAD data can be found under BIM models. We save the file and open it in ArchiCAD. To do this, we go to the Library Manager and add the LCF file. The window is now available in the default setting and can be amended on the right-hand side. You can find an overview of everything in the drop-down menu and choose a specific category. We can insert the window in a wall and subsequently adjust and change it. The window can be shown in different levels of detail. Relatively, roughly at 1 to 100, more detailed at 1 to 50, and in very fine detail at 1 to 20. The section detail for the system shows how it is constructed and is helpful for detailed drawings. The wall attachments shown in the section detail are based on the data provided by Schco. More information on this can be found in the video description. The window can also be edited in the viewer in 3D mode. It can also be opened to allow you to see how detailed it is. A component list can be created to provide you with an overview, for example, which window is installed in each location, how many, the size, and so on. The Schco planning data for ArchiCAD contains extensive information and is based on the specifier's requirements. The Schco YouTube channel contains a wide range of different videos. Thank you for watching and for choosing Schco products.